Welcome, guys. So we have a question that we are supposed to look at from this paper, which is 2022 GCE. All right. This is the paper that we want to look at together here. I hope you'll be able to follow nicely. Okay. So this is 2022. But maybe before that, let me share with you this information, especially those of you that are writing in 2023. Those of you that are writing in 2023 exam. So we have online classes. We have online classes. These online classes are very effective. They are as good as we actually having a physical lesson, like we're in one place. Very, very effective. Those of your friends that may have attended this can tell you. So we are preparing a class for those that are writing next year, which is 2023. And we only teach mathematics only. Please let me emphasize here, because we get a question of how many subjects. It is only mathematics. And those lessons, because most of our students, they do work. We start from 20 hours up to 21, or sometimes if we agree, we start like around 19. So usually we do them for 4 days in a week. For 4 days in a week, which is Monday to Thursday. Monday to Thursday. They are live lessons where we get to interact. You can ask your questions. We answer your questions. So those lessons are offered through Zoom or Google Meet. Through Zoom or Google Meet. Okay? So all what you are supposed to pay is a 300 kwacha per month. It is a 300 kwacha per month. You can only pay this amount maybe for a few months. By that time, we'll actually finish the syllabus. But if you have other many subjects that you are writing, you can call us. Maybe we can give you a discount considering the fact that you are writing other subjects. But we invite you to come here for mathematics. So these are the numbers that you can contact us on. This is my number. This is Mr. Piri's number. Please don't ask for past papers. We have a lot of such requests. We will not respond to such messages. Don't come in our inbox and ask for past exam papers, and maybe just, we give these numbers for those people that are interested in having extra lessons with us. At the same time, we are not forcing anyone. Those that are willing, those that may have been referred to us, please, you are welcome. Our lessons are very effective. You can never regret anything, including your money. It will work. I hope I've given adequate information here, so we can go straight to the question and solve it. So this is the question that I want us to look at. Okay. This is the question that I want us to look at, which was in 2022. So in the diagram below, M, L, and K are points on the surface of the Earth. Okay, so we take pi as 3.142. Then the radius, it's going to be 3437 nautical miles. Determine the difference in longitude. We are answering the first question. Determine the difference in longitude between M and K. Between M and K, a difference in longitude. So we are going to look at the longitudes that pass through these two places. Okay. We have 48 degrees west and 32 degrees east. So if you look at these, they're in different hemispheres. We have got west and we have got east. So to find the answer, we add. That is what we said. When they're in two different hemispheres, what do we say? You add to find the difference. Agreed? What are we going to get? We are going to get 80 degrees. That is what is going to be our answer for the first question. Agreed? Understood? I pray so. I pray so. Okay, so let me take you to the second question, ladies and gentlemen. So we have a question here. All right. We have a question here. We have a question here. So calculate nautical miles the distance between M and K, the distance between M and K, this distance here. This is the distance that we want. So when you look at these places, they are on the same what? They are actually on the same, they are on the same latitude. They are on the same latitude, right? So this is what we are going to do. So you know that when we want to find the distance of the distance between two places that are on the same latitude, this is the formula that we use, right? We use this formula, 2 pi r cos x. Okay, so the theta here is the difference in longitude, which we already got here. And what is it? It is 80. Okay, 360 multiplied by 2. Our pi is already given there. It's 1.1 multiplied by 3437 multiplied by cos x. The angle here, we get the same angle on the same latitude, which is this one here. So we're going to get 80. When you punch this on your calculator, what is it going to give you? It will give you 833.4. It goes on like that. So you can actually write 833 nautical miles. This can be your answer. Then when we come to the second question here, this one, calculate the distance in nautical miles between K and L. Between K and L here up to this point. So these two places, they are on the same what? Longitude. So again, to find the distance KL, in this case, we use the formula theta over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. So what is our theta? Our theta, we need to add 80 plus 85. What are we going to get? 165 divided by 360 multiplied by 2 multiplied by theta multiplied by 3437. We just get to punch this on our calculator. Then we see what is going to be our answer. Okay. What are we going to get as our answer? When you round it off to 3 significant figures. Okay. Well, let me first of all write it. It's going to be 9. It's 9.1, then it goes on like that. So when you want to write these two, like 3 significant figures, you end up having it like you have 1 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if you want to write it to 3 significant figures, it will end up being 9900 nautical miles. This is what is going to be the answer here. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you get it now. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment. We really appreciate that you come to watch our videos.